everybody. Welcome to Life at Sunny Lee. And it's been a busy week. Still grieving. There's 5 different stages of grief, and it helps to know what these are. The first one is denial. It's where it didn't happen. It really didn't happen. She's still here. My puppy's still here, right? And then you get to anger, where you're angry at it happening. You're angry that they left. You're angry because you thought maybe you could do something more. And then you go through a bargaining stage. What if I trimmed her nails 3 years ago on time? Did she get them caught in the carpet? Is that what caused her to tear her ACL? You start wondering about that. Should I have gotten the wheelchair earlier? Should I have used it more often? Different things like that. You go through that stage. And then you go through a depression stage where you just don't want to get up, or you just don't want to be around people. You just have to do something to get yourself out of the depression, because every time you look at something, you cry. And then finally, there's the acceptance stage. And some people take a long time to grieve. Some people go through it real quick. I'm on this one group. It's called Coping with Pet Lost, or something like that. And it's amazing the different ways people grieve. Some people have not put their dog beds or the toys away for 2 to 3 years. Other people, like me, wanted them out of the way right away, because every time you saw them, you would become depressed and you would start the grieving process all over again. So I am the one that wants to get everything out of the way, clean up the house. I don't want to run into toys or pet hair or anything that reminds me. I've got the memorial set up, and that's fine. I'm coping with that easily. But I had to get the house clean. So this week has been super, super busy. We finished hanging up the curtains on Sunday outside on the porch and got those all hung up. And then went to church on Sunday. Monday I went and got my hair done, and that was a good time. It was actually the first time in a long time that I've been out of the house, because I had pretty much stayed close to her the whole time that she was going downhill. And so it was always nice talking to her. In fact, she was one of the first people I texted to let her know that the dog had passed, because I've known her for over 35 years. She's a good friend. And so I text her and my other good friend. Those are the only people I text and told to tell. And both of them knew how much I cared about this dog. And so I spent about an hour and a half over her place, getting my hair taken care of and cut and stuff. And then on Tuesday, my husband's school has an annual Christmas party dinner that they go to. So we went there, and of course his best friend was there, and his wife couldn't make it. She was sick. So I kind of missed talking to her, but I have made enough friends through the years of going to this thing that I had a couple other people to talk to. And the one lady is a sweetheart. I love talking to her. She's the one I made the memorial stone for. So I just got to spend the afternoon talking with her and visiting with other people I knew. So it's kind of fun and got me out of the house. Of course, walked in the door and you expect to have her looking at, waiting at the door for you, but she's not. And Wednesday I went back to cleaning, and I cleaned like crazy. I cleaned the foyer completely. I moved all the furniture and cleaned the walls. I cleaned up the staircase walls, cleaned that tapestry up there, cleaned the hallway, took the glass out of the security door and cleaned it, cleaned all this glass. I rearranged some of the pictures. In fact, I had to change the frame on this picture because it actually fell off the wall when I was cleaning. So it had to be changed. And then I started in the kitchen. I cleaned all the walls from the door all the way over and cleaned the cabinets, cleaned the fridge, cleaned the inside of the fridge, cleaned all the baseboards and stuff, washed the curtains that are in here, and steam cleaned the floor. I really need to get down on my hands and knees like I did this hardwood floor and clean everything, scrub it really good. But I'm going to wait until after Christmas for that because the boys are coming home this weekend and I don't want to be on the floor cleaning while they're getting ready to come home. This part I did not get done, and I got half of the small bathroom done. I had to clean the blinds in the kitchen, and I had to clean the blinds in here, and those take a long time to clean. So I've got to that window. I did not get that window done. I did not get the walls over here cleaned yet, so I've got to clean those yet. But that can wait until after Christmas. That and the dining room and the office will be after Christmas. Then on Thursday, we went and got groceries. And I had to get things for cookies because the boys decided they did want cookies after all. And Doug said he wants Santa Claus faces and Mexican wedding cakes. And he would help make those when he gets here. So I'm not even worried about those until he gets here, and hopefully we'll get those done on Sunday and Monday. Sean wants the no-bake and the snickerdoodles. And so I have been, all Saturday, I have been baking cookies. Started out early this morning, got the no-bakes made, got the Congo bars made, got the Kiss cookies made, working on the snickerdoodles next, but I have to take a little bit of break for lunch. And also waiting for Douglas to get home. He's coming home for the week for Christmas. And Sean has to work on Christmas Eve. So that has been our week. It has been busy. I've been doing laundry and keeping up with that, getting all that done. Of course, I had to change all the sheets on the beds for the boys so they can have clean sheets when they get home. And keep it busy. That's how I deal with grief. I keep myself busy so I don't have to think about things. So, hopefully you'll have a Merry Christmas. Mine's getting there. It will be much better when the boys get here. And I haven't been to the gym this week at all. He's been almost every day, but I've been, well, except for the days except for Tuesday. He couldn't go Tuesday. But the rest of the days he's gone. But I've just been here, the house cleaning and working on cookies and doing other things. So, hope you have a good week. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.